Hey guys, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com and this is the 2103 from Geox Kids. Let your young one run around in comfort when they're wearing these super sporty design sneakers. These are perfect outdoor design sneakers. It's made out of a premium leather upper with breathable mesh panels put on throughout there with perforation to keep the shoe super breathable. It's got plenty of cushioning in the collar and tongue to hug the top and the back of the foot. It's got a pull tab on the heel and the tongue to help get that on a little bit easier. It pairs with this hook and loop closure strap that has another one there. It has a secure hold across the vamp of the foot to make sure it's super tight and secure. And it's got a comfortable footbed in the very bottom there to make sure that they feel great as they're running around all day long. It's antimicrobial on the inside as well, so it's going to keep the inside of that foot super clean. And it sits on top of a durable rubber outsole with this perforation on the inside there that allows any moisture and sweat to get out of the shoe, out of the bottom of the shoe. But it's small enough and designed so that water won't go up in the shoe, making sure that that foot environment is super dry and comfortable. Make sure your little kid is super comfortable as they're running around in these sneakers, and they're going to keep dry as well. It's from Geox Kids.